जिक्र उसी का होता है जिसकी हमें फिक्र होती है। सच कहता हूं दोस्तों, हम पार्श्व में यही तो करते आए हैं। एकेडमिक्स, अकाउंट्स, वैल्यू एडेड सर्विसेज, 3 pillars to survive, sustain and grow in this industry. Academics. At the start of COVID itself, we made sure our star product evaluator is updated and upgraded for all our 2000 clients so that they can continue their academics in the most effective and efficient manner. Accounts, the pain point. To help out collection of fees and mitigate overheads, we made sure to collaborate with one of the most reliable NBFC, Aditya Birla Capital, that can pay out entire fees of all your students at one go. Value added services. Believe me friends, we understand you better as we are from the same industry. इस साल हम सभी के एडमिशंस कम हुए हैं। एडमिशंस तो कम हुए हैं, पर साथ में हमें फीस भी पर स्टूडेंट कम मिली है। Yet the expectation from parents is as always high from coaching institute, as we not only get results but make sure that children are ready to take on life in high spirits. That is where we need to come up with value added services so that we can compete and stand out in this highly competitive service oriented industry. Just imagine, with no further investment, if you are able to offer value added services to all your students and have additional revenue for the same. Your imagination has come live. Yes, introducing live events with most eminent personality to enhance will and skill of all your students to get par excellence result. To start with, Mr. Hitesh Wakharia, Roadmap to Academic Success. Mr. Himanshu Pathak, Memory Mastery. Mr. Prateek Upadhyay, Self-Development Program. Mr. Prajesh Troxy, Holistic Development through Graphology. Let your students be part of it and you be proud of it. Together we can. Let's stand tall and strong, holding one umbrella in this storm. To glow and grow our students and firm. Join us for most exciting upcoming venture of Pashwa live events.